Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Hi, my name is Erica. So I know I look a little crazy right now. I just got out of the shower. I am wearing my nightgown. Do not judge me. My grandma gave it to me and I love it. If you hear noise in the background, it's my washer and dryer. We are a big family here, so we do use the washer and dryer every single night. So okay guys, so for today's video I wanted to share with you guys my skincare routine for my nighttime. I get this question asked so many times. I've uploaded a couple to my Instagram, like when I get new products, because Pixi does send me new products I believe like every month or whenever they come out with a new collection. So I do kind of change, you know, the products that I use, but I'm gonna be showing you guys today what I do normally, like for my skincare routine right before I go to bed. So if you guys would like to see this, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Before I start, I just want to say thank you very much for being here. Make sure you guys like and subscribe before you leave. And yeah, let's just go ahead and jump right in. So before anything, you want to make sure that your face is clean. In my case, I always shower before bed, so I always have a clean face. I do wash my face in the shower, and I use the Aveeno Clear Complexion Foaming Cleanser, and this is a gentle cleansing for breakout prone skin. I have been breaking out a lot around this area, and I've done my research and I know that is because of hormones. So I don't really break out like on my forehead or anything like that. I do have some discoloration on my cheeks, but other than that I don't really break out. These two breakouts that I have right now, it's because, you know, it's the time of the month, so those will be gone hopefully soon. But this is the Aveeno cleansing foam that I use, and I usually use it in the shower like I mentioned, or if I do my makeup like during the day and I want to wash my face, I usually use this. I always make sure that I take off my makeup completely before I go in with this. And yeah, so make sure you guys have a clean face. If you guys are prone to acne, I definitely recommend this one. I bought it at Walmart for I believe $5.99 or $6, around there, no more than $10. Very affordable, and I've been using it for about, I want to say, almost 2 or 3 weeks, and it's still pretty full. So get you this. I will be leaving everything down on the link below if you guys are interested. So after my face is clean, I usually like to go in with a serum, and I have been introduced to this Lancome Genifique serum, and it looks like this. This is a little bit expensive. I only use this when my face is feeling really dry. Other than that, I always use the Pixi Skin Tricks Glow Tonic Serum, which looks like this. This is something a little bit more affordable. If you're looking for an affordable serum, I definitely recommend this one. If you got money to spend, girl, then get yourself the Lancome Genifique serum. I'm not sure how much this one costs, but I'm pretty sure this one is $15. Go ahead and use the Pixi one. So I usually do those 2 drops and just rub it all over my face. This literally leaves your skin feeling so smooth. And I always bring it all the way down to my neck. So I let this sink in for about 2 to 3 minutes. And I kind of press it into the skin. This does leave a really tacky feel to the skin. The Lancome one does not feel tacky at all. I like to use this serum when I'm doing my foundation because I love a tacky base. As you guys can see, it's a little tacky. Not that much, just a little bit. That has soaked in, I like to go in with a moisturizer. Now the moisturizer I've been using lately is also by Lancome, and this is the Absolute Cream. It looks like this, and this smells super good. Now if you're looking for something less expensive, okay guys, if you're looking for a good moisturizer that is a little bit more on the affordable side, I do recommend the Pixi Phenomenal Gel. And what I like about this is it's not oily at all. It is a gel based moisturizer, which means it's water based, and this is a neutralizing moisturizer. So I definitely recommend that. Since I am breaking out a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Lancome one, which is my favorite. It is a little bit expensive, but I definitely recommend it. I've been using it for about 3 weeks now, and it honestly leaves my skin feeling so good. I have noticed that with this moisturizer, my face literally if I put it in the night, my face will be glowing all the next day. Like, it lasts so long on your skin, and it has helped me a lot with my texture. I used to have a lot of texture around here, and ever since I've been using this cream, I've noticed that my texture has been like really reduced ever since. Alright guys, so after moisturizer, I like to go in with the Colourpop lippie scrub, which looks like this. And I like to scrub my lips every single night because there is a lot of dead skin that builds up on top. And what I love about this lippie scrub is that it's not super rough on the lips like other ones. And it's super, like, no joke, super nourishing and super moisturizing on the lips, as you guys can see. Okay guys, so usually after I moisturize and do the lip scrub, I usually just set my face, not set my face, but I use this e.l.f. hydrating coconut mist, and this is this hydrates the skin and refreshes makeup. Now you can use it whether it's as a, like, in the middle of the day, like if your makeup's looking a little like crusty, dusty, you know, you put a little bit of this and you look flawless. Or you can also use this at the end of the day. What I like about this is that it does have vitamin E, and it does have hyaluronic acid, so it really helps out my skin, especially right now that I'm breaking out. So I usually would go in with this, but since I did get a new package from Pixi, I want to go ahead and try out their vitamin C caviar balm. And this has vitamin C, which helps with brightening the skin, ferulic acid, which is an antioxidant boost, and it also has probiotics, which protects and balances the skin. So this is what it looks like, and I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of this to the skin. I'm just gonna add a little tiny dot. Now I have never used this before, so I will let you guys know how I feel about it. I'm just gonna add a little bit to the T-zone. I quickly just removed any excess lippie scrub that we had on our lips. And last but not least, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. hydrating coconut mist, which looks like this, and I'm just gonna spray this on the face. I'm literally running out. I need to get another one. This is only $6, and it's literally been my favorite for, well, since I got it. And then I just like to really smooth this into the skin. Okay guys, so that right there is my skincare night routine. As you guys can see, I am glowing, except for those 2 pimples. No one invited them. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will leave everything linked down on the description down below, as well as my social media handles where you can follow me: Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, all makeup by Erica 19. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys would like to see any other type of videos, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.